Cool. Right. Do you want to check it? What should you do when you finish shooting? Unload mag, lock slide.
Basically, say you've just finished, you've still got one in it. Bang, 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 bang,
Bang, bang, bang.
Da-da.
Mag
got
out.
Mag, take it out.
Lock it back.
Lock it back. Gun's clear, bag it.
Sweet
like
ass.
that slightly down so that you can then see in it.
See into the chamber.
Yeah, cool.
Do not dry fire it.
Do not dry fire them?
Because you will snap firing pins.
Okay, that's good to know.
That's clear.
Okay.
Now, trigger's no longer active.
Can you just show me how to do that again? So say, right, loaded one, don't pull the trigger.
Basically,
Then,
hold it with the pistol grip.
Yeah.
Pull it to there.
Yeah.
Pull the trigger. No, you've gone too far. You'll feel it. There's a certain.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now drop it.
Okay.
And now try
cool.
it. Trigger's inactive.
Sweet ass.
Cock like that.
So it's cocked.
That's
So,